Choosing the right connectivity solution for your business takes a bit of thought. First, how critical is connectivity to your business? Does your connection really need to be always on? Do your employees send and receive large files to and from partners and customers? What about video or other so-called rich media applications? How many of your employees log in from home or the road? How much network security would you like this device to handle? Cisco offers a range of router products with an abundance of services for small to mid-size enterprises that will provide answers to all these questions. First, Cisco Small Business RV Series routers are affordable, secure network access devices that deliver simple, basic, reliable connectivity right out of the box. Next, we have the Cisco Meraki products, which have revolutionized distributed branch networking. The Cisco Meraki Cloud Mesh architecture enables plug-and-play branch deployments and provides centralized visibility and control across any number of distributed locations. Since Cisco Meraki networks are managed entirely through the Cisco Meraki web-based dashboard, configuration and diagnoses can be performed remotely just as easily as they can be performed on-site, eliminating costly field visits. Thirdly, if you have limited space but need best-in-class routing, voice and video security application performance, and cloud connection and wireless capabilities, Cisco Integrated Services routers, such as the 800 and 1100 series ISRs, offer all that in a single device. They are well suited for customer premises and priced for small and mid-sized businesses, as well as enterprise branch locations. And finally, as you build out the digital capabilities in your enterprise branch offices, the 4000 series ISRs consolidate many must-have IT functions, including network, security, compute, storage, and unified communications. So you get everything you need in a single platform. That means significant savings in capital, operational, and management expenses for lower total cost of ownership. The platform is also modular and upgradable, so you can add new services without changing equipment. Let's take a look at each of these platforms in a bit more detail. Designed for the small office, enterprise branch, or teleworkers, Cisco offers the RV series routers. Depending upon the model, the RV series of routers provide wired connectivity with 4 to 14 switch ports or Wi-Fi connectivity for local devices. There are a few models with built-in DSL WAN interfaces and 3G, 4G USB failover if the WAN connection fails. And the RV320 and RV325 models have web filtering capability to stop access to unauthorized websites. The RV series also provides secure VPN access for 5 to 100 users at up to 100 megabits per second, and for 5 to 50 simultaneous IPsec VPN tunnels. Comprehensive security with built-in firewall services, advanced encryption and authentication, as well as web filtering capability to stop access to unauthorized websites. Award-winning support with free software upgrades and a limited lifetime warranty. Intuitive browser-based device manager with support for the Cisco Find IT network discovery tool. Designed for the small to mid-sized office, enterprise branch, or teleworkers, the Cisco Meraki MX series of routers are cloud-managed devices. The Cisco Meraki series provides 100% centralized cloud management. This means that these routers can be self-provisioning, enabling branch deployments without on-site IT. Each device downloads its configuration via the Cisco Meraki Cloud, applying your network and security policies automatically. Network configurations can be copied among multiple networks, and tagging simplifies both configuration edits across large deployments. In addition, administration can view networked clients' bandwidth consumption and application usage across all sites. Cisco Meraki routers also provide comprehensive security with site-to-site VPN connectivity established through a single click in the Cisco Meraki dashboard. Other security services, such as a stateful firewall and integrated source fire intrusion prevention IPS, are also implemented with the same ease. Intelligent path control through built-in software-defined WAN features on the Meraki routers provides policy-based routing where traffic path is assigned based on source, destination, or application, as well as providing dynamic path selection where traffic path is chosen per application based on loss, latency, and jitter. And finally, fault tolerance is achieved through dual WAN and cellular uplinks to maintain connection to the Internet and warm spare component failover that ensures service integrity. Designed for the small to mid-sized office, enterprise branch, or teleworkers, the Cisco 800 series ISR routers are traditional iOS-based Cisco routers and provide support for up to 20 or so users with up to 20 simultaneous IPsec VPN tunnels. They also have Wi-Fi 802.11n support and 4 to 8 wired switch ports for local devices. Some models support ports for IP as well as analog phones and DSL ports. The Cisco 800 series ISR routers also provide voice to small offices and teleworkers, with some models having ports for IP phones and analog phones as well as DSL WAN connections. Advanced security features, which include web content filtering, VPN access, firewall protection, and intrusion prevention. Unified wireless mobility with Wi-Fi 802.11n support from a built-in AP, which can be managed independently or through a wireless LAN controller. And finally, simplified operations with comprehensive Cisco iOS routing, QoS, and network management, as well as a graphical voice and data configuration interface. Next up, we have the Cisco 1100 series ISR routers, which extend collaboration to mid-sized and larger offices and branches. This is a fixed interface platform which incorporates the iOS XE design and comes in 2 variations, with 4 or 8 LAN ports. The Cisco 1100 series ISR routers also provide a digital-ready branch foundation with a pay-as-you-grow strategy for optimum investment protection. It is why the 1100 ISR family was developed. The 1100 series has a whole new architecture to address the new branch problems while not giving up any of the existing services of previous generation Cisco branch routers. These routers were engineered for high performance with the next generation connectivity options in mind in order to handle the massive flood of traffic and new mobile cloud and rich media applications. And they make all of this available in a single, quick-to-deploy, easy-to-manage converged platform. It's a platform that is purposely built for WAN and application assurance. Features such as SD-WAN, application visibility and link optimization, as well as VPN and proactive security, help you overcome the bandwidth constraints and reliability challenges at your branch and remote sites. And finally, the LTE advanced capability of the 1100, when coupled with a service provider's wireless data plan, provides a rapidly deployable, high bandwidth, reliable and secure solution for branch offices and remote sites. With LTE advanced fast data rates, the 1100 can offer a primary WAN link solution capable of running comprehensive branch office services, including voice and video services. The Cisco Catalyst 1100 ISR router delivers a high-performance and high-quality experience across all branches as a next-generation fixed platform. We can see some of the features that this provides, such as 802.11 AC Wi-Fi support, Mobility Express to simplify wireless deployment and operation, advanced LTE for resilient WAN connectivity, APIC EM support for plug-and-play provisioning and maintenance, umbrella security for first line of defense through DNS redirects, and more. Designed for the mid to large-sized office or enterprise branch, the Cisco 4000 series ISR routers are also traditional iOS-based Cisco routers and are considered the flagship of branch office routing. These routers offer optimal service flexibility through a modular chassis design. The Cisco 4000 series ISR routers deliver a broad set of integrated services and, depending upon model, provide optimal service flexibility through a modular chassis design. A distributed control plane, data plane, and service plane resources running the iOS XE software, ideal for SDN implementations. APIC EM support to automate service deployment, orchestration, and management. WAN and application optimization with WAS intelligent caching with Akamai Connect and unified communications with series build apps for Cisco TDM. And finally, best-in-class security, including highly secure VPN options, including dynamic multipoint VPN, DMVPN, as well as firewall, IPS, and content filtering services. The result is a router that has been elevated into a truly converged branch infrastructure and a branch that can be run out of a single box. The Cisco 4000 series ISR platform will allow customers to receive the same UC services they use and like today, but with higher performance by prioritizing multiple services simultaneously. For example, solutions such as Cube and SRST or with routing can now more easily and efficiently be deployed on a single ISR. The 4000 ISR series also offers simpler maintenance for IT. For example, the 4K platform introduced an innovative concept of having a dedicated DSP directly on analog and digital voice cards rather than having them use the motherboard DSP resources. As a result, it is now possible to upgrade the capacity of the cards without turning off or unracking the router, as no operations on the motherboard are needed. Therefore, in a contact center scenario, the call volume may increase to a point where IT can easily add capacity for Cube or TDM gateway DSPs without chassis-level downtime. In addition to advanced routing options, heightened security features, a broad array of WAN optimization services, unified communications capabilities, and integrated wireless hardware to enhance your mobility solution, the Cisco 4000 series ISR routers also provide the ability to add optional server modules as well. Optional integration with Cisco UCS E-Series server modules allows you to run the industry's most popular hypervisors, such as VMware and Microsoft. The UCS E-Series modules are comparable to a full-sized server. As a result, you can localize services at the branch and consolidate them to reduce the branch's hardware footprint, power utilization, and maintenance cost, while further simplifying IT management. And because the management planes are separated, your server and network teams can work in parallel without stepping on each other's toes. To summarize, here we see what a typical mid to larger-sized branch office deployment might look like. Some of the Cisco 1100 or 4000 series ISR router product line features include 50 to 200 megabits per second WAN connections with rich branch services, the same services found at headquarters. Diverse connectivity options, which include Ethernet, DSL, and LTE wireless. Optimized applications and services. Advanced LTE backup connectivity offering network resiliency for business continuity. Scalable and secure connections. Next-generation Wi-Fi connectivity with support for 802.11 AC Wave 2 and multi-gigabit per second wireless LAN speeds. And ASIC-like consistent performance utilizing the APIC EM centralized control plane.